Hey guys, it's Jazz from Justy Slime. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make a super soft and smooth butter slime. But first, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get started. Today I'm making some orange butter slime for Halloween. Firstly, I'm moulding some spooky red and yellow jack-o'-lanterns out of Daiso clay. I'll then mix them together to make orange clay. Oops. Fix that up a little. You can buy the Daiso clay at any Daiso store or online on eBay or Amazon, for example. He looks a little bit grumpy. Tidy him up a little bit, maybe that'll cheer him up. I made a couple of red ones and now I'm moulding some yellow pumpkins. These little moulds I got online and they're super easy to use, as you can see. Just tidy it up a little bit. Pop it out of the mould. Look how cute it is. I'll just make another couple because I wanted the orange to be more pumpkin orange like, so I figure I need to add more yellow than the red. So here I've got some slime. It's basically just a clear slime and then I added a bit of white paint to it. I used half a cup of glue and half a cup of warm water and I mixed the two. Then I added activator to make it a slime. The activator was a 1/4 teaspoon of borax to a half cup of warm water. Now here comes the fun part. Just pop all the clay on top of the slime and mix. It can get a little messy and it is a little bit hard to mix the clay into the slime at first, but do persist because it becomes easier. The quantity I used and the general rule of thumb is 1:1. So I think I mixed 200 grams of slime and 200 grams of total clay. Just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. It's really fun to mix. And eventually you'll get this really nice, soft, buttery slime. It's super stretchy, super fluffy. Really nice to touch. You can see here it's slowly coming together. The slime's mixing into the clay really, really nicely. It's so, so soft. And it's starting to become a really nice orange. So you just keep mixing and mixing. This is where you have most of the fun. Just keep playing with it and eventually you'll get this. A super soft, smooth butter slime that is so nice to touch. So smooth. Look at it. So, so soft. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Have a great day.